What's up, everyone? In this video, we're doing the weekly recap of the stamp modeling program. The market was insane this week. We had a ton of volatility, especially on Friday after the Jackson Hole Symposium. The stock market just tanked to the downside, and it was just a crazy day overall. So in this video, we're going to do the recap for the week. So we'll start off with the swing plays. We have two new swings for this week, CCJ calls and 3M puts. Both of these setups are looking very good in my opinion. CCJ is looking great in terms of a technical standpoint. There's also some pretty good news with uranium, especially given with everything that's happening between Russia and Ukraine and the energy, I guess you can say, crisis going on in the world right now. A lot of countries are eyeing up the, I guess you could say, nuclear option, or just like the nuclear power part of energy. So that's big. I know some great news came out of Japan this week on how they are looking to use nuclear energy a lot more. So that will be great for these uranium companies like CCJ. But there's a lot more that goes into the setup as well, like the options pricing, the levels it's currently at, and the risk to reward ratio. So CCJ is looking pretty good. The other play is with 3M puts. Basically, there's huge news with 3M where they could be sued for a ton of money. This is like a gigantic setup. 3M is normally a very slow moving stock, very, I guess you could say, stagnant company. A ton of volume is coming into this one to the downside. I saw a ton of very bearish flow with 3M lately, and the risk reward setup was just too good to ignore. With that being said, it's of course possible that this play and any other play loses, but I am pretty confident in how this one will play out. Like I said, it's possible for it to lose, just like any other setup, but I am pretty excited for it to see how this play develops. And then with that being said, let's shift over into the bot plays from this week. It started out slow, and it just got better and better and better. So on Monday, the play popped for 9%, which is a dud. Tuesday, 18%, not bad. Wednesday, 28%. Thursday, 61%, and Friday, 86.5% with AMD. So it was a pretty good week for the bot too, to be honest. So I'm actually very happy with how this week turned out. There was a lot of big movement in both directions, honestly. When we started out the week, I know like a lot of the China stocks were moving in a big way to the upside, but as we know, the stock market definitely turned around to the downside on Friday. And then let's shift over into the theta plays from this week. Premium selling and short put options is such an important strategy to it. Like, even if you don't deploy the strategy, it's very important to at least understand how short put options work, because more likely than not, you will want to do them at some point. Short put options is, in my opinion, hands down the best strategy you can deploy compared to any other strategy. And the reason I say that is because basically what you're literally getting paid to buy the stock at the strike price you pick. Like, what other strategy out there allows you to say, you know what? Let's say I like a company like let's say Meta, right? Meta right now is at $161. You can pick any option you want, let's say the 150 strike put, and you can get paid money to write that put. And in the worst case scenario, you have to buy Meta at $150 each. But if you have any questions on the short put strategy, definitely ask Hunter, Tom, or me in the StockedUp Discord. We're more than happy to help. Besides that, I'm very excited heading into next week with the market. We should have a bunch of great moves in store for us. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great weekend.